Hey folks, it's Justin here from cartoonsmart.com, and we are going to deal out a little punishment for the kids that have been misbehaving this holiday season. I'm going to drop in some footage of elves, and we are going to make them disappear. And all you have to do is just take any old movie file, just throw it into Adobe Premiere, just put it into the little media browser window, whatever this one is that pops up by default in the bottom left. And we are just going to now take this, drop it into the timeline. Okay. All right. I don't know why it showed up twice. That's fine, though. I don't use Premiere that much, but trust me, we'll get the point across with this one. Okay, so here we go. You can see I just kind of start off to the left and make it a little bit more convincing. And then I'm just going to sort of hold here for a little bit. Obviously, we don't want my hand coming through, so that's going to be the part that we edit out, right? I don't actually yank them out of there. And then basically we'll just kind of superimpose this on top of what was there before. Okay, so real easy. Here we go. Get back to the point where you start grabbing them, all right? All right, now hit the C key, okay? And you're going to notice your little mouse changes the icon a little bit. It's going to, basically, you can cut that part up, right? Now move past where you got rid of them. Boom, done. All right. By the way, my daughter hit her younger brother in the eye, so this is why the elves are disappearing here. Don't feel too sad for her. Okay, now let's. I hit the V key after using the C key, so I put these two slices here. So C, and then just go back and hit V again. All right, to get you back to your normal mouse. Let's take this part out. So just select that, hit delete on it, and then we're going to take this part and then just move it over top of here. All right, there we go. And now that's quite a jump, right? So let's make them fade a little bit. So on this one, select over here, and you should see some video effects over this way. They might be folded up or something like that. We really just need the opacity on this, okay? So look for that one, and then you're going to hit the keyframe right here. All right, see that little circle, add or remove keyframe? So just click right there. So that's going to be keyed at 100%. Now we actually want to go back a little bit, back to the beginning of the clip. Hit it again, and on this one, we take this down to 0. And from there, that's pretty much all we got to do. I mean, if you want to kind of do the same thing and try to adjust the position if you didn't get it just right, yes, there's a perfectionist in me that would like to get the banister lined up perfectly with that one underneath. But, that's kind of a problem with your original footage. So you might want to just go back and reshoot. Anyway, so that's it. Let's go now over here to export, media. And this will basically show you what all you're exporting out. You could clip it a little bit there if you wanted. And then, let's see, QuickTime, video, match source. We usually try to do that. Let's see, H.264. That allows you to change the width and the height. If you shot this on your iPhone or something like that, you probably want to go 1920 by 1080 if you're really concerned about quality on this. And then all you got to do from there is just export this out, get it onto your desktop, and then what I ended up doing, just because I was kind of lazy, is I opened up this exported file full screen on my Mac, and then I just took out my phone again and videotaped my phone shooting the computer, right? Because I didn't feel like getting it back around to my phone any other way. And you know what? It was pretty darn convincing for a 7-year-old. So there you go. That's how to effectively punish your kids during the Christmas season. And Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa to everyone out there that puts anything on a shelf.